everyone, welcome to today's video on how to use a chignon pin. So I'm going to demonstrate on our medium bow hairpin, which is from our French handmade collection. So this is made from a cellulose acetate, which is basically a super flexible resin. The edges are cut with lasers, so they're really kind to your hair. There's no sharp edges at all. And also the flexibility of the material means you can really weave it in and out of your hair to ensure a firm grip to weave it into place. So I'm just going to show you how to use it. So you just gather the hair into almost a low ponytail, and then you just twist the hair at the nape of the neck. Try and twist it quite firmly, and then you lift that hair up, and if you've got slightly longer hair like me, you might just want to fold that down to put the loose ends in, and then you just roll the hair, keep twisting it until it feels quite firm. And so that is a French pleat, and then you just grab the chignon pin and you want to hold it the reverse way to how you're going to wear it, and you just gather the top section of hair, push it through into the pleat, and then you need to just go back on yourself with the chignon, push it in like so. Thanks so much for watching. Do let us know if there's any other videos you'd like to see, and as always, do get in touch with us at techaccessories.co.uk.